Today is a big one because I just partnered with Higgsfield to test their brand new Cinema Studio 2.0. And honestly, this might be the most cinematic AI video generator I've used in 2026. In this video, I'm going to show you my full workflow inside the Higgsfield website, from building the shots to directing the camera to adding characters to generating a complete cinematic AI video sequence. So if you care about filmmaking, AI filmmaking specifically, storytelling, or creating high production content with AI, you're going to love this. Let's jump in. Right now, I'm inside the Higgsfield AI website. Higgsfield is quickly becoming one of the most creator-friendly AI video platform. Their goal is simple: make professional AI storytelling accessible to all creators, not just studios. And now, here is Cinema Studio 2.0, the next evolution of AI video model. To access Cinema Studio 2.0, just click on Cinema Studio from the dashboard. Everything happens in one unified workspace. This is important. You can generate your base image, then turn the image into a cinematic video without switching tools. That alone saves time. So this is Cinema Studio 2.0. So this is how the interface looks like. So I've just pasted a prompt that I prepared from ChatGTP, using ChatGTP. So I've pasted my prompt, and then we are going to create an image. As you can see, you can actually depending on what you want, you can request for, based on your settings. Can have up to four images. You can select your aspect ratio. You can as well select the resolution of your image. Mine was set as 2K, and you can actually animate your images into videos on the same workflow or workspace. Okay, so you can choose your camera angle and all that. So we are going to hit on generate and wait for our image to be generating. And as you can see, it's using just 2 credits to generate your image. So this image, we are going to animate it into a video, and the video can be from 6 seconds to 12 seconds. Okay, so our image is ready. Let's tap on it to see what it looks like. Wow, this is so beautiful. And as you can see, you can actually upscale your image, you can enhance it, you can relight it, you can you can do a lot with it. If you don't like the image, you enhance it and all that. Okay, so we are actually going to animate the image right here as well. Okay, so to animate it, we have to tap on animate. So it brings us to this interface, and it has switched the option from image to video now. Okay, so as you can see, our start frame is here already, and we've pasted in our prompt. Okay, then you can actually get now I'm trying to select the movement. Okay, what I want is camera following. Okay, so I'm selecting now to check actually the camera movement I want. You can actually do that as well. Okay, so let's keep checking. Okay, so this is camera following. So this is the movement I want. I've actually selected my aspect ratio to 16:9, and we have sound on. And this is just some of the few settings. I'm increasing my duration. The duration, you can actually increase it from 6 seconds to 12 seconds. Okay, so I actually want it 12 seconds. So after making all the necessary adjustments, and you are through with the settings and all that, let's click on generate now. So I'm going to show you after a few seconds what the outcome of this video is. All right, so let's click on play to see what the outcome of our video will look like. This is another one I tested out using the drum movement. The scene, the sound, the camera movement came out so professional and actually very perfect. So I highly recommend you check my description. So check my description for the link so that you can go and test yours out, because this picture has just took AI filmmaking to another level entirely. Honestly, the gap between AI clips and AI filmmaking just closed. Cinema Studio 2.0 gives you 3D scene and navigation, character control, multi-shot storytelling, gem-based motion, speed ramp precision, cinema-grade camera rigs. If you're serious about cinematic AI videos, this is worth testing. Check the links in my description to try it out yourself. And if you create something amazing, tag me. Let's build cinematic AI stories together. See you in the next one. Please do well to subscribe to the Creative Susan's YouTube channel for more amazing videos like this. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video.